The New Work Show, it happens every year at the same time, so it's always through the month of January. The work that is represented in this gallery is only work that has been done by instructors here at the Workhouse and their students for the whole year of 2012. So anybody who took a class in 2012 was welcome to participate. It's not a juried show. We welcome anybody who was a student here. And we always encourage the instructors to show along with their students so they can show, the progress that they can make. Here at the Workhouse Art Center, we do offer a very broad range of medium and classes. We have painting, we have drawing, we have ceramics, we have glass making, and in the glass department alone, you have all kinds of different ways of making glass. We have art of movement classes. It's very easy to get involved at the Workhouse Art Center. You have many avenues to choose from. Classes are definitely the easiest thing to do. We have classes every day of the week, Monday through Sunday. They start as early as 9 a.m. and go as late as 7 o'clock, 10 o'clock at night. All ages and all skill levels are welcome. We've run classes for children as young as 4, even 3 years old. So we have all skill levels. We're often bringing in internationally known or nationally known artists from around the globe who can come here and do one-off workshops or weekly workshops for the more advanced students who want more of that kind of college or international taste to things.